right, check out time now. 34 after 3. Adom 106.3 FM. Aye, Ashe Makuma. Ashe Muma. Quick JC on this one. If I try now Friday. Yes. Now him say Fridays there. Said the onim dadano. Bibia Timisi. It happens to be the very last day. In the month of April, and then last quarter, you know what I'm saying? That's going to be the month of May. So it's a Friday, the 30th of April 2021. Now the Omina say not quite Friday, a freestyle Friday. So definitely be a bit me on the show. Banasa Formula B now. And then today, the rock star is in the studios. Yes, Kwame Eugene is on the show. Or Benjamin, no credit, okay. Rockstar Benjamin, or Benjamin. Kwame Benjamin. When you do, I know I landed that. And I'm saying, cool. How about you? So Kwame Eugene is here. And then so me chow ache there. Me timu nyedin ene agise me nibi se me obi kwa dia yo na ene no ansa na the videos of our time ebe bre won ti sa ansem ya me de bre we because enche bia me activity phone lines na mo aframe wa aframe ba show you so ache na oba show no so a me bisa simple questions na utimi answer correctly a jo achede buburuja efi royal aroma fonchen ebeye odia emu ode na tie esa se mempese obeba na obetoto apapa so na afi achede no onsa enko kantino me ma tips kakra we ensesen kamye ne sa but kwaku mitimo amre tina me yense dia mo tu men kan kese emu bia ante ebeye a on take note. Joe, take note. Say, Bear, me be so question a bit. That is all answer under that. Yes, I now banana to pass with their while. In the meantime, join me on Facebook and Chibia make try roll call now to move on a few videos of our time. Yeah, they don't swat to us from my video. Now, me, I show the near video and yet. In the park class at the end, edge was as you and the videos of our time, video and I don't talk. And yin at the end, Nipa cry edge. Do video nin papa. Now you shall probably one wife as you move baby and no. Video nin coming up intimate me the real corner by see near the videos of our time now to us. But yes, and tips now me day morning. No, it's me a judge dear. Questions na me ba BBC bisa no minimum answers no it make me mama mouse area no said be ya obom na me bisa pa bit me ya no mama tipacho take note very important ni nafa Ghana's first fortified rice royal aroma fortified rice ya bay and come on na me new day me beautiful lines not to achede buburuja if royal aroma o de be coffee e pacho tea as a set ultimi adia your friend balanced diet by 3 days they have been talking about it say University of Ghana in collaboration with the UNICEF in 2017 almost a year study be dead say approximately 50% of women and 66% of preschool age children suffer from anemia. Na saade ne ade bia enkoye ne nyina nsa manfo nuane a won die no enuane nura hodo ewo mu esese mo nsaka well balanced diet ese manfo di yenya ne sentence say royal aroma rice ya fortified with nutrients ebebo na nyama timi akoye. Now balanced diet na nkasa pa ne nchi mu no se eno ne aduane a what variety of different types of food provide the adequate amount of nutrients. Yeah, a bebo nipeduano and one balanced diet. ekobisa na to papa so a na onim say nutrient ba ko a ene ye de ahye eye Royal Aroma fortified rice no mu nutrients no edoso ba bosu bi ama ebiam bisa ba ko mienu bi a na watimi ayi no ti nutrients ahodo no iron, zinc, vitamins, vitamin B3, B6, B9, as well as B12. What I say? Tini na sa B components ni na umu ho no a. Ti anu ahye no sa de amame. Na eni iron krano ne faso de ben nipa enya ewo nipa due mu se iron ebo nipa due mu a de ye ne se eno boa create eye hemoglobin iron no eboa se de be ya sa anemia semi ebi mu asetem ana onye anemic eno ano no minim se de mi kan na wo de tuti mu. Okay, now ene the only fortified rice I wo Ghana ha no your friend Royal Aroma fortified rice. I see. Now, nutrients are yedi agumu no and am di kan boss bi e kire wo no. Se owura every day ene me kai iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B9, B12 ni nyina no etata mu a. Kama. Now, yewo nutrients bi a etimi eboa boost onipa o immunity eno eye zinc eno so ebi omu mibisa na toto papa so de a eye wa wasemo sanso ena hye no so se enei yewo nutrients bi a eno so ye de ahye Royal Aroma fortified rice no mu a eboa yie pa se be ya bibia betimi akoyi ewo widi no ede ama wo titiri pa no se opese umuja no etimi ekonkan de ma wo no what I say eye hemoglobin ni ade no medical tissue se iron no boss adwuma ne pa ne ade a it we no very 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 simple. I'm sure say you do well ungu manimu ase de mi yense se nka me yenso my because me pese utwa so stay tuned then chibia da mo fa me ko Facebook no so why na me pre video no tum zizia African be tram tum on Facebook tram tum zizia na yen ko videos of our time so quick na afi yen fa de aka no ehhehye so Adom 106.3 FM from Jerry Justice. Good afternoon one more time and welcome to your own show Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM African wa Papa Bills wa James Style Jake Ho or so atrase like you say bibia edena kwam and Kwame Eugene the rock star ono so ehya han mo ache say ene yene na ena ehya boom na yakoye nim sa. All right, quick roll call on Facebook omo betem dada na ene video na ye yi medical catch us video na ni enyan video ni nyefe imagine pa se uti bia na video bi ati se yaba out na ewuraba fefefe bi ena mu bie na bekohwe na your wife ana also obawa for uti fie na bekohwe na video yi na fe ukohwe na ukuna ye de ni hadwen Nancy Knox I say thank God it's Friday Kufo Mad on also mahunu ewo ho sanso ena tina omabo I see you Sule Capito I see you on Facebook Daniel Ahima I see you afe Obapa Ellen I see you as well sanso ena Christiana Amwa Odu John Adu I see you Pastor Mario yo I say thank God it's Friday. Yes, so KJ GH. I say Braje, yo, Diabo called there. The graft Kojo Odum. I see you. Millicent Emisa. I see you. Sanso Ena Andy Sammy Dusty. I see you. Gideon Kwao. I see you. Manuel Nanasari. Yo, which them? Charles Sass Ankra. I see you as well. Sanso Ena Copenhagen. Hey, the DD movie should be on Facebook. Joe, good afternoon. Richard Botry, I see you as well. I feel Miss Debbie, Awiaga, Glago, also Mahu, Martha, Jimado. Also, I see you. Sanso and Richard Botry, I see you as well. Iowa 05, I see you as well. Princess Asabio, I see you too. Samson Black Kobe Music, I see you as well. Ako Steven, if you are actually Adom Dadzi, I see you. Hey, Atiafaso, said you Bufaso Gidi. Munyabotre. Now your more run videos of our time. Proudly brought to us by the new Techno Spark 7 on Senyanka phone the abonde ama on san kabina emuye kama pa ikura 6.6 inch screen color bibia then kama pa no goyi enough so person share football matches now, play games now, share movies also ekoyi pa camera no so tija no 16 megapixel AI camera quality. Not just say no we taking night pictures near there. Backlight to say the daytime pictures pepe and I was strong batteries and so I come home. The memory no so they go 128 gig ultimate store BBR so 4 gig RAM so and I come home. I just say my BBR fast cry also. Tima Sanka the new Techno Spark 7 EB and they are available. Our accredited shops in the mobile phone shops do across the country. But the amount on San County, Madama, and you did videos of our time, bro. Now, the pacho T Niepa Ghana 4 day. Yani ni mwasemka. Because he a crowd to you on the crowd, person any idea. Me am te hey. Me Christo ni o de cobro of moi. Me a Christian. What I say? Na minim nyame na mejinamidi. What I'm trying to say is that I believe in God. Yes, I believe in God. Now, spirituality on. I am a basa, especially faith near deno BGD. Divers. Obia was said there was see a geniema a funny idea and said or see accept your dear fa. But sometimes any money be on more. As I say, aya sebi Miss Mbibri. Ye timide adwin eton kakra. Enye se menje akwankyere ni. Akwankyere wo ho pa. And even if you read the Bible, there are several instances akwankyere baye. Ema nyame emanfo edis akwankyere so ma etimi ko yi ema o. Even crash a kwanya amount for pensu and misdrive for said and carry betimi amazo eso so say you fa de kobo keke you fa ni kire and said jama Moses o de kobo o say there izui e ba ni ade nina akwankyere ni bia. There was a time when God's people wanted to leave Egypt. Ne nneema mu aye den ne ade na I said challenge bi ne hwe ohefa we said na koma aye den ne ade eho nneema sisi wo ka say sa apoma dane owo na omososo ma omkrofo ye bi ne sa nneema ni ne ho from tete. What I say enti ene sofo bi betimi amo akwankyere aka say bia fa we ka we hu na fa we ka we hu na ebom paye. What I say eye normal, you know what I'm saying? But in a situation where software be no bekasa na oba wa for wa uni se wa wae na software se akwankyere we de gi ode ne nsa bo anwa bim e de kofa se be oba bi mesrem bebre mintimi nka ne sa na oba wa for nso ampa no akoda ho atwese mu se ya say I mean they are saying this recently. There was a video circulating. Yes, software be one of the countries of Africa or healing. Na nene dey say basana. na SSA odi ne nufu emma ne members no nom eti whatever problem that you have okura mic no wa yi ne nufu no sei no bompa ya bompa no ne nufu na hye wanum wo ya obema wo ya oba na wunum ne nufu ni na bompa then you are receiving hey edi enkran so ni enema ne bi wo adwo wo de ba komienu tutu ho a dabi emom video na me se eni enyan no bra Facebook sisi ana behwe video no osofo oya kwankyere ama na sorema na sofo yi ekire omo se ombedi yi enti whatever problem out there aba no wo ba begbu nkotodwe wo sofo nanim ya special akonwa bi ama no asofo no wo soro na wo wo fom ho saa na okwabrane ekita nsuo na yehwe nsuo ida horo sofo nanim odi nsuo no horo nanim a sa nsuo na esane na ono dia horo nanim no na wo nso asore ba no nso butu nanim wo fom wo na nsuo no nso ujigu wanim e de horo ko nso aden na obi hono oba ahwa hono ne de ande ase da bi wo de ese me de me nan not ne nesi okwabnani apampam so for the nesi odi bi apampam na ahwe nsuo no ahoro ne nan no ho saa de agum okoka beka se Yesu kura o sa obi ani yade no o tintesuo de fra anwa na o de ma no wende omde no be challenge uzisi ya wode ne nan asi okwabnani apampam ni ehwe nsuo na gua no ahoro ne nan ho saa de agu anim no apampam za o se won so fa ahoro anim emu e ma na emu e mema no mu nyina kokotokoto no yeze is it that say baby edu no say your bomb pie rade ontie bi mu ana say yen ankasa ye betimi obon pie we ameka say ne say ye na 3 days akonchi ya ekosui akwam na den edi animu e ba wiye eno say you can participate e bi crowd show fie wo utimi nya kwan Magroland won ne ade but also the GD attachri o bon pie o do yef not o bon pie believe in say nyame betie na why ye de onso wo hwehwe e de amount. Why don't we believe in that one? Why don't we believe in ourselves that if there's a God to listen to prayer there and yes we are born pie a radibete and pie bo now why ya pedi amai and that we have to go through this? Is it that asofo no bi no timi brainwash o mkrofo na menti do ba bia when these things are happening that, like they don't see say it's not good na nemre mu now koto na asofo de na esi wa pampam ehwie nsuo de wash ne nan ho na edi gu ti so di sane fa wanim na nso de wo wanim de sofo nsuo no na sofo di nsuo gu ono nanim na wa hohoro na ese nsuo no gu fom no na wo so sa nsuo na nso de wo wanim se eno no be ya wo den and America no I am not speaking against akwankyere directions wo hopa directions e wo hopa papa na eyadwuma directions wo ho but you see so for be to me man direction obi okra na even on phone the person can talk to you okay do this and do this and at this time of the night I mean sorry and go on your knees and pray maybe use this quotation kayano never gina so never boss empire no what I say or sometimes fa anka one kasa or orange will feel krana just cut it do this those things they are there and it's normal orange ye di eti bia what they yakwan chama say you pompa ye gusu ne di ne bia bibi krana e be healer na bibi kra I mean eno no say there na so obi washing anim with water. Not that water na eba no it's supposed to be waste water. Now also hey. Na se ya bi wono a. O de mo hwe video na minya aka na ukọ no bebiri kura na eno so akwakoye obi besi ana bo achi bidi. Hwe video no ena wo Facebook. Enti patcho wa need access to Facebook no. Ade na matwa mfoni na che no. But so wo access to Facebook there patcho wa hwe. Why? Wa hwe video no eti sofo no na ete ho no ono te akonya no so no hwe di lady naba ena lady naba butu o ena wahwie nsuo ndi agu nanim na ode awɔhye ena hwe wei obi maame hwe maame tim se maame no nyamfo wache ne pon fefefe kama hwe ode na asi maame na pampam ena nsuo no hwe o wɔhye de gu maame na maame no so de nsuo no wohoro ne ho nyina ne ade now if you are cleansing yourself obi na hu fi no no mo de wohoro gu so no how would that clean you no hwe owie na hwe kapo abrante pa omo ato santi hwe abrante hwe ono so hwe o gifri papa ne na hu na no so o de wohoro ne body nyina o de wohoro no Edin hwe eno ogusu no so for no kran so small boy bi o ase ba ku ya nansen omo ama wa edin okromu we see your sa small boy o ba ku ya na o e loud pa o yo betimi abo rescue they say why edin okromu we see your sa hey oh we radi hu ya mobo oh hwe sister we dey kwa dey unko hwe wode ne ba so akọ oh hwe we so hwe another lady so abehwe wakokoto sofo nanim together with ne ba hwe ene so ne bi guru so say gu ne ba no so oh e dey asem ni na kwa wade unko ye na do ba so ko bi wo ho ne na hu gu sister no so no na e bi say gu ne ba wode ne ba kan ho akọ oh Charlie, some way. Eradi we are mobile why? Now your bomb pie papa the tiin na resource name rana said a bear and Crawford fair abnormal cocoa baby say near because sometimes I say waiting na oh papa we are mobile. Now we are no she. No. Am I? We the member nyina wo and yes say be a member nyina wo but o ba wo kona resist member bi so o ma ato santin fa pa ba ku yo gina we say the man fans Lord have mercy oh abusia video no on Facebook ode wan ka sahwe me kan bibi on be ka se bra no ode wa hwe video no why domino na ba pada abusia pedi a chia kwan na emwa na immune system no huntimi nye ne den abre enyina kama se na se stroke and diabetes ebetu ase esanboa normalize your blood pressure heart and kidney related problems nina free ho obenya bia to ewo heba shops ahodo ni nyina mdodo pa no frɛ Angel Dominion Herbal Center 0543158195 afi 020-429-6449 Dominion Herbal Powder your number one immune booster na fi aside di o yemfa Emma Flora disposable handkerchief and normal cloth handkerchief no ya di atonchen cause yariaba what the people on sa we are no asansan they people wanim we are now why hit now they people wo bo now they people there be all the gems na we are aside they show botum yenye ne sabim they say the woman say uyi baako what the people we are no ato atwene no way free titan bia na ho ate neat kama pa ne bon so nye den ehim bebre na ya na krokroa efete o pocket o purse anase o bag mu easily dodo pa no free Delta paper mail on 0243 033 033 now on sa account there afi obasima seal and I account for the amount and okodwam na akwakoto food product aya hwe de wo the obasima seal we no special sealer AGI and a Ghana Standards Authority akabum introduce na de say food product bia wo market na obasima seal no ho a chese sa food product no 18 essential vitamins and minerals no betimi aboa wo yi pa ti ano ahye no so de mabusuani na ni titiriu yenuanamo emma no. So go on, choose obasima, stay healthy and then stay strong. Na bibia so entimi enko ye emfa emma. Yabeto aso na yakoyenim ugusuti Adom 106.3 FM Patrol Medical Catcher that say Kwame Eugene was so ena NCBA says Scott around the world in 5 minutes on the bed brain ena me baby be phone lines no say sia number be our questions kakra utimi bo homoden a na waje wache de na o de call baby. We are very 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 simple. In the meantime, happy birthday and come edini den hey Adeki or what?
Adiki. Ayitevi.
Adiki. Ayitevi. Yeah. Okay. Adiki. Ayitevi. Happy birthday to you, Vice President of Sustainability and External Relations. Newmont Gold. Is it group or okay corporation or Africa?
Gold Corp.
Okay, so Newmont Gold Corp Africa. Okay, all right. And here we show a happy birthday. Right. Abusuya yebeto so na yako yenim but yen kanfo royal drinks amount anonia ede yemu aso to royal apple, royal cooler, royal orange as well as royal cocktail. Omode amount san can be 2 series 50 pesos respect na wajo there emuso de yi pa we fikasa preco company limited, an ISO certified company. Dodo pa no na wabomode afre 0262 351 251 and now say 0272 133 373. Na ya jo so na che say ye no adi town na bibia so etimi akonkan e de amount obenmo afiri MTN so say en kan cho say free after one no gina na so ni nyina say ne obetimi akasa saa o de kasa be o break kwaso ana kasa saa o de kasa. You just have to pay for the first minute of your call and the rest. They are absolutely free. Yeah, that's how I enjoy 50 MB of data at their browser for free the account. So just go on and dial star 550 hash. Now I subscribe to MTN free after one and you stay connected because we are good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. Okay, so mommy activating phone lines no na yen shase emfa eye afrefo no na yen hwe said the ebesi akwafa bampa chotie ne take note say a study done by the University of Ghana in collaboration with UNICEF in 2017 say approximately 50% of women and 66% of preschool age children almost suffer from anemia. Now, your nippon baby crowd one more almost suffer from deficiency. You be a vitamins and minerals. Been more. Would you say a beam come with him? You say your nutrients be one more. Ayana a tie any yeduane a yedie mu eno na ka ho ma etimi ko fasa how we edeba na emofra ehia ne yie pa no motimi nya proper growth and development na empanifo so yehia na etimi aboa na etimi function properly na ya carry on our daily task ahodo na enyina na so no ya na entai eni yenuane mu na nuane na yedie no enhye dan ye complete balanced diet sa esanti enani yede fortified foods augment na bibia akoye and untina say the popular brand Royal Aroma I introduced the first fortified rice in Ghana. Yes, sa Royal Aroma fortified rice imuye pa iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B9, B12 nina ashemu makama aya no ebetimi abo ntino unya kakra bi di kra na eboa ema onya sa nwane nru nyina na boa ma nso wetimi enyi amampom den hu sem so no akoyi 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 sansem ya mekan se CA no questions and I'm demo. Hello
Roger.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Pacho say
Pacho from Nanaya Pacho
na ewie boko de nana
Pacho nyame Adom 106.
me ho ye pa na ga za free
Pacho me kasa free tema Pacha.
Community ben.
9.
Then one woman was you.
Oh, me going
When was a dream for a cramp fan 9 honey. Okay, Yanko. Oh, answer 3 questions. Why?
Pacha.
The patrol, dear kind. What is the benefit of iron? When you diet iron, a buy any problem.
Benefit of iron and diet when say one producing more hemoglobin, send a mojamu ever produce a good moja for as an anemic.
Just say, why do I said, okay, young call second question.
Okay.
You want nutrients, I hope will be more knee, ya ade, royal aroma, fortified rice, no emu. Me pacho, mame, emu, miensa.
Okay, iron, the kind, zinc, and vitamins.
Vitamins, dear, vitamins,
B3, B12.
Young call last question, why? Now, I say, we obey me, papa. Me, I'm going to say, beside the philan grammar. Okay, you can say balanced diet. Now you're purchasing.
Okay, balanced diet, all the nutrients. I don't want to say,
sister. What's your first saying?
Nanaya.
Nanaya. All right, you. Why are there? It's Kosoeti. Why? About Adam when the agents were saying so. We was as a wood dress idea. Your father next caller.
Hello.
Yeah, Bama PM. Your first saying.
Yo, Jerry, what you saying?
Patrol me, was that I was a white hyper head one to drop up as we ever say.
Oh, Jeru Gumenumas, well, we need penny and semi pro watch and name now, Nami Pro Radio, great you what I say. Nami Pro, so I just said it was here as a woman with him cratiaco. And my guy be good when he was. Oh, Joe, oh, Grandma may be my tickle.
Hey, said the only thing we say there, Charlie. Money now. Okay.
Many dollars are bow.
All ready?
Yanko.
Okay, T. Who answer 3 questions? Oh, first question. We there for the okay, Nyeri, what the man from us? Mommy, rice now, yet the only fortified rice Ghana eating.
Was it?
The only fortified rice I Ghana rice bang.
And your rice, yeah, royal aroma.
Royal Aroma then
fortified rice.
Someone catch us when you know.
Many the papa.
All right. Young call or second question.
Make a one.
Never when you know.
Oh, Joe.
Young call second question.
So for team.
Wow. Hey, what's that, bro? Or second question.
Okay.
And they your nutrients be a ya add. Royal Aroma fortified rice no emu. Nutrients bang.
Nutrients?
Yeah.
And your vitamin A, B, C, D.
Vitamin A, B, C, D one.
Yeah.
Okay. So better as a kind. Okay, I'm calling last question. Why?
And yes, it's an mommy.
Last question. Nutrients bang. And I want Royal Aroma fortified rice moi a bois a boost to your immunity. Next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
What's your first saying?
What's your friend Janet?
What's it?
Janet.
Okay. All right. Me bacho. Oh, answer 3 questions. No, what the name here?
Chocho.
Janet Chocho.
Yes.
Chocho is a very beautiful name. Chocho. Yeah, Chocho. Okay. Chocho.
Yes.
Who answer 3 questions? I'm why.
That's you.
Okay, so our first question. A day nutrient. And a Royal Aroma fortified rice mua. A buama yetimi enya hemoglobin ewo ni pedua mu.
Pacho Question.
Open bro and open the tree. Open the tree. Okay, two. Nutrients bang. And then they a royal aroma fortified rice mu. A bois Emma yetiminya hemoglobin ewo ye nipa dua yimu.
Pastor zinc.
What's it?
Zinc.
Well, sure.
Pastor.
Okay, you. What's well, sure. Young next question. What is the only fortified rice in Ghana?
Royal aroma. Royal aroma fortified rice.
Steady what? Last question. Your nutrients P yakakandia bomu and they abeshe royal aroma fortified rice imu. Nutrients bang.
Also, your zinc, iron, vitamin B3, 6, 9, and 12.
Okay. All right. 80. Cause why?
That's it.
Your last caller. Nah, your Bibi Amra. Do I have my last caller? Hello.
Yeah, have you?
Yes. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
What you saying?
I'm Celestina.
What's it?
I'm Celestina.
Celestina Dane.
Medaso.
Huh?
Medaso.
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 Pegaso.
Okay.
Oh, there's Celestina Dane. Okay. You can't tell me the why?
Okay.
Say I'm going for sele.
Yes.
Okay. Sele.
Yeah.
The nutrient. And a royal aroma fortified rice mua. A boost to your immunity.
That's iron.
Hey, Sele.
Yes.
Sele tia ni me say. Okay. Nutrient ben and a royal aroma fortified rice mua. A boost to your immunity. Menka de my ye build a friends hemoglobin with a boy boost to your immunity.
Okay, the vitamin. Vitamin B3, B6.
Sele and TCB yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, baby, I'll quit it. Yeah, chef. The rice na the only fortified rice for Ghana.
Royal aroma fortified rice.
Okay. Afeti, o last question.
Okay.
Nutrients be brain yakika boom. I need a share royal aroma fortified rice imu. A nutrients be.
Okay, we have zinc, iron, vitamin B3, B9, 12.
Okay. And two vitamins nina. And now nim zinc and now nim iron. And the this our first question. Now, mommy, iron as the answer. Now me say there be. Now want me and for man now so say corner now vitamins. Anyway, yeah, the obey and why and the influence you are why.
Okay.
It's because sweat here. Now over tenka. At the answers in there, I'm around in there, dear mamma, near dear. I don't know where, sir. Anyway, it's Friday. It is said there could be any corner, sir. And Chebia says, Scott Betnassi around the world in 5 minutes. Not their brain. But don't forget, says to say your favorite carbonated soft drink, Club Minerals, has got a new name. Yes, with the same refreshing taste and flavors. Club Minerals is now Club Spalita. Club Spalita. Take note of the new name, Club Spalita. So switch up your groove right now. Now, Mount Sanka, a bottle of Club Spalita. Still in your favorite orange, muscatella, tonic, and then soda flavors. Club Minerals, now Club Spalita, has a new look, new feel, but the same great taste. So go ahead when you want to refresh yourself during those delightful moments. and grab a bottle of Club Spaletta in 4 different flavors. Club Spaletta, still your favorite club mineral flavors. More de ye pass. Star ba 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 ba. Do you need cash? It says, "Can I do a chrome too?" Upeska baby, I can chrome no. Oh man, and yes, you. Can I quack you a time, mu papa papa papa. Upesika unyabi. Ubeshushe na. Baby, I wafa. Nateje bende. Mamefa and Charleston kon Emma James Nana Afo. Nana Afo, why Nina? Such a great guy. James Nana Afo. Oh, Total Service Station. A shaman, toll booth, motorway service station. James Nana Afo. Rap and why Bibia? Why Nina? We 2 checkers here, pardon my water. We can do my Bibia fine. Say, Kumasi, I make Queen the idea. James appropriate, come as any idea. Confessed the candy chia didn't there. To the tank, now must see you pools any idea. Yes, I mean, shall be near Chawati. But I said, I make cash one day this time, pa. Cash unya. Just say advanced Ghana savings and loans. And I'll be near cash no free. Meaning I say any idea I would say about one of business now, it's me surviving a BBA the amount. So whether you need money to expand your business, to purchase new stock, or buy new equipment, or clear your goods from the port, we are there for you. Worry no more. Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans, an affiliate of the Advanced Group in Paris, with over 1 million clients and presence in 9 different countries. We've got you covered. Yeah, well committed. Say bit me up one business now, a best surviving. Nah, and more competitive interest rate on our loans, good collateral policy, and a loan without any prior savings, just when you need it. And a mobile banking services, I can dear friend or a mobile bank, and also more Aquenya absolute comfort. Now they are making a repayment and a other transactions directly from your Momo account anywhere you are at no cost. Sign and share it here. Let me visit any of our 20 branches across the country or visit our website www.advancedghana.com for more info or speak to our call center agent or your toll free line so 0800 355 355. Advanced Ghana, growing together. And I'm in a Kwame Eugene. And you interview near Baba you. You have a dance. I'm a rock star. You have a dance. Yeah, interview. It's an interview now, pretty there, and you forget it. Baby, be any a castle mount second the new HD decoder, HD plus decoder, and now you be a. It's me, Boama Bibia, or show phone Subiano, and I say, Utin Subiano. It's me, a clear, come on, pardon. Says God. So, it's your name, and people was all quack or TV for near the be. Would your HD TV now, you know? Cause no use no answer, na, would the amount sanka the new HD plus decoder no, would they no boss wa. My quality no union 5 times better than standard definition. They are available any nearest authorized dealer bianche and now say any electronic showroom nationwide. No amount of account there. So they also be at the Philly experience. Yeah, that can once a media. You know what I'm saying? DBN you bet me on phrase 0242 439 872. They try further details. The BBN so akoye at the amount. That's what it is. Okay. Ansana mene Kwame Eugene ebe shase no. Wo de fa showboard mami won. Fa showboard mami na mami ni kan fa enye yansa me de no e wo me up. Na fi dia aka no mene Kwame Eugene atwa so ende me se mene no ye bebo dance. Oh yeah. Enti wa ofili show body bia no. But more than now also feel it because I know no. New bia edamakoma so na me fani agro. Da 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 da. Okay, enti to all my people out there, I'm hopefully show body, just like myself, no. Mommy, you can for improper kwemwanza. And you know they say, just a cry. So good boss are there. And you are about 1,000. And it's your birthday today. Mrs. Gold Mary, hey Debbie, and your Gold Mary, Golden Mary, Mrs. Golden Mary Bumpo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kasepa. Yes, sir, Radisha. Kasia Dema on your special day today. Happy birthday to you. With your wow sister, Auntie Christine Chen, Bloom Cakes and more. Oh, me ask me, mommy. For me, my few, I'm an Brazil for me. Anyway, I do believe so here. So one more time, a happy birthday going out to you, Mrs. Golden Mary Bumpo. May the mighty one bless you, yeah?
Baba never seen that before. But like, child, you first slow down now. When you program that, how you move your around like the pole dancer. The most sought after. She only got my eye. But I refer to talk, she only what I find. See, Kele no be issue. I get pretty queens down in Mogadishu. So talk better make her feel you. Or make her get to step in the family.
And a happy birthday in advance. And so encore Emma Gifty J Mensa. You're celebrating your birthday on the 1st of May. God willing, tomorrow. Happy birthday to you, dear Gifty J Mensa. Parliament. Special Assistant Edema, Honorable Ochibefi, MP for a new job in constituency, and also a student of Gimpa. Happy birthday to you, dear. Hey, and you know, they are no name Denny. I'm a Sandra, I'm in you. Happy birthday to the greatest treasure of all time, Mrs. Augustina Okaibia Ofie. May the good Lord bless your new age from your husband, Mr. Mark Japan, and your son, Ajinkwa Adom Mensa Japan.
And I for move like a this. Like a body so bad, make us speak Japanese. Konnichiwa, ginger the floor. Baba never seen that before. But like, child, you first slow down now. When you program that, how you move your around like the pole dancer. The most sought after. She gonna cut my eye. But I refer to talk, she want me what I find. See, Kele no be issue. I get pretty queens down in Mogadishu. So talk better make a
shots going out to you.
Make a get to
man like Cindy Officer.
Wait now.
Emma Bibia Boko there.
Small play, you want
hey, Abusia time and a drew Anessa. Say you be room.
When you get out, stop. Oh yeah.
And a special happy birthday. And comma Mrs. Doris Ampofuchumesi. Mrs. Doris Ampofuchumesi. Our Devon Gardens, Watema Community 5. Now every 1st of May, Diano, or party Kasiapa. It's your basa and Colana Watema Community 2 Community 5 in there. Oh, Jai. Say Devon Gardens, baby, a one. Between Community 5 and Community 2. But Ocean Power baby one day, 5. Say Community 2 and 5 no. Tamadi and one around that road no and a separate no. That road now quad copy PV or be run about no and a separate Community 2 and Community 5. Or no on the side now Community 5. But and Colano say 2 hands you know almost cross view Community 2 are no more but on be these are no more sasa. Me Adom 106.3 the 1st of May. Basso den kiddie party Kesepa 1 p.m. sharp. It will feel I'm the mom no team Colana more Community 2 to Community 5 no. Mammy be saying I didn't even watch now. Why? So happy birthday to you, Mrs. Doris Ampofuchumesi. And I mean, unsha. Now on your case here. No witness here, cry. My witnesses are due 8 years. Every year, yes, I do more. Colana Joe Meniani, I mean, sure. So happy birthday to you from Wawukunu. Yeah. So Koku Ampofu, Nana Koku Ampofuchumesi, aka Nana Apache, something a war Ubumpa the first. Simple. You really know. I wish I baby I don't know. Your boy Rem. Now your day around the world in 5 minutes with Scott Abreu. Stay tuned. Say my you. Say wawa. Say wawa. Say wawa. Say wawa. Say Scott.
Roger.
Everyone is out when Madame for Monday was mother. It you are you do a real one.
Roger.
I'm sorry. That's how I was okay. Me and
the one of him was that.
So that said that. Who's the man of you?
Roger. I don't know. Come on. In fact, and never all the same. Can I tell you something?
Go ahead and tell me something.
Brother, and that almost done naked at night. Only guardian angels. Fatu Trimo.
And ma almost that naked
at night. Only guardian angels.
Sesenti.
A minute catch it over. Said the anti the minim, but Obabia or ye naked at the damad yetino. Only guardian angels. Only guardian angels.
Okay.
Badgery, nature say no.
Matthias.
Badgery, so a girlfriend, date nipa mienu eka ho she is not cheating. She is rather tagging you with 2 others. Fatu trim.
If your girlfriend
is dating two people, and you, in addition to you, she is not cheating. She is tagging you with 2 others.
Okay.
No. Until my man and yes, sir. Gradually, you ransom him.
You're going
I am monitoring too. Gradually, Elipa Maku 44. Or my sure woman. East of Israel.
East Israel.
Yeah.
About the saying,
gradually, religious festival be a coso. In him, they are quite by the free so better by Ramama by Ramba. I would have said, we are Quacosia. Nine pimpim so I see a pre prana on that critical condition. I know I didn't pay Bradgery. anu odene papa enti me pacho wo de hye wo ho a na wa bompae na o bompae na wa kai wo mo but the one say I don't know by India na minim so mo practices ade no un say nipa wu a wo mo hyi nipa no
de ho de mo
ya eno na brofo no ya kan say
cremation na say kra yi owuo na aba bebre no kra no the last time the news that I was watching omo build it sab ni bi said ebe dos no mo etimi ashin crop more because omunya baby
yes, okay because see they are complaining say baby omushi ni pa
yeah it is true
it is see na omu pe baby foforo krom be build no metimi akwashi ni pa yes and so just COVID-19 ne de Ghana hana mo ho atom na mo de mu twa manum but a man for brepa a man for brepa brajeri enye aseketwa. Now, Bradley, over 50,000 people have signed a petition for the first lady. And on your friend is a
first lady of
US.
Oh, okay.
Jill Biden, Jill Biden. And you didn't know. Jill Biden.
What's the one? How can I say me?
First lady.
Okay.
First lady.
Okay.
In the US.
Now I'm saying
now this I'm going. No, flow.
I was you know a bit not me bit my dream about now I'm going say be a vice president now.
No. First lady.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah.
Anya Jill baby. But we the mass messy. On say Washington DC, White House or what? Once a flowers ni near unsa brofunde they value those things. Now utimu say eja Trump na yere no ba ye no say nua no wengususu was a dey na CEO asa na akwa ye boachi bidin and intino who decide say omu decide e cassette no ba we buy no almost sign petitions almost sre no in flowers ni we na wo White House we ni nyina
ohwe
onye ni ye na nya
okay
yes
all right
yes onye na onye ni ye na nya kama
all right
nimpa 400,000 ena ewu sisi ano Brazil akako the second highest yes in terms of COVID-19.
That's why we need to be careful.
Yeah, that's what, yes, it's true. Sisi the Brazil there akako ya rehosam Brazil yeah okay oko Oxford I am one Brazil you born Brazil yeah and also enone dia ewo ho Bradley na chesa rehosam a esi eno no Bradley I'm ready to me the base here
okay
now with him
is okay
obi biara o twaka akwemu a ohwe benkum ehwe nifa no onje nyankopon ni aden Brother,
David just had it right.
Then me see, se wu chaka kwem na wo hwe benkum na wo hwe nifa wo nje nyankopon ni. Oh yeah.
David na nyankopon anga sa okra no no so prince say ya hwe yi na hwe na me hwe sa ka ba na ka
research na me dia ba no. No. Se wu chaka kwem na wo hwe benkum hwe nifa wo nje nyankopon ni. Tu gradually. Sisi a ema no. Mom broken heart no more the omo ama nyankopon so what I'm trying to say is guys let's try and win souls for Christ. Let's try and win souls for Christ. Meaning at the sesko oko achimo da ye fre kuro bi kejebi na just oka
David na we onyanya bi to win souls for Christ though as a guys here one bro I'm breaking heart no more
man broken heart no dey no ho ayeden ama nyankopon ana me say sisi ano guys no let's try and win souls
okay
for Christ sisi research na abare che say and ba dodo omo de omo ho ama yesu no is due to broken heart
okay
and guys let's try and win souls for Christ. Bradley, French ni meka cho se chevalu Capel next hot tata dai
ye becho
macro
and Kobe Bia Justice. new Techno Spark 7 series no. Alone the big screen, clearer camera, and then a strong battery no ne money das rogo. Ekuta 16 megapixels AI camera quality. Ni senti wo di jump it and asumu kra. Eni da ho say yepo. New Techno Spark 7 screen no so come on. A 6.6 inches true color screen. It is what the book game, what the show movies, and now the show football matches are. Masa, feeling. Ekuta 128 gigabyte memory. To me store me downloads, movies, music, any apps. Do bia me pebia. Yeah, the 4 gig memory and atumo. It's all the browser jack. Fast. Now the battery holding us there. 5,000 mAh. New Techno Spark 7. Kona koje.
Hello.
Yo, nazi say.
Talemania, Misso, me here once is here.
That's him.
I send Bisabio.
Meet you.
Yama Musa 9 cities. Yama Kwame so 36 cities. And a Pokian Sunya 27 cities. Now why was I same here? Sika same pan at the Labina.
Chama, hey, Chakona, wait a long equation. Yedika from Musa.
Nekos were Busia and then of one time saying, oh, big a crowd. Small Quedica and a pen of the Chawaka. Nasa Wakasano Suchaya. Ubedi Koma, Untiashi. Near some 50 megabytes free. I will be our Becasa. Press star 315. Now for Uberdom. MTN free after 1 and net. Free say, we are good together. Everywhere you go. Kaise, in shake a crowd.
I see you. Quality security door in a new space. Why affordably? What be man paint depot? And the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? What quality security doors? And then see phone contracted. When you road marking pay. What be man paint depot? Paint to quality biara usual. Say why you paint and pay later? It's just kakakra. That's a 3 months. It's yankai. You see if you want something real wooden here. What be man paint depot? I will stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. Accra Kumasi Highway. Pobi Mantobo to wa.
Umami nyabanwa ofumegiano no. Unya bema no ade bia ogina phone so no.
Hello, I'm Rose here.
Wo fase no ochiri bibia.
Da bi o mempe, we de michu.
Wadanfo no a, wo ni no adwuma mu a, de bia ono no no Coca-Cola twato. Yeni na yeni mobisa, nenso omuni wa na edua ne di asesa. En Kenya bra ye kabom e di Coca-Cola eji yeni. FDAG edwade nkrato yato.
So many ways there where you go feel use your MTN Momo wallet make payments with scan to pay. Where you go use the QR codes or you go feel use the merchant ID or on bank POS terminals. You go feel also transfer money between mobile money wallets and bank account all on MTN Momo. Enjoy real convenience in all your financial transactions and live life the brighter way with MTN Momo. We are good together. Just Momo it. We're there for you everywhere you go.
I see you. Quality security door in a new space. Why affordably? What be man paint depot? And the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? What quality security doors? And then see phone contracted. When you road marking pay. What be man paint depot? Paint to quality biara usual. Say why you paint and pay later? It's just kakakra. That's a 3 months. It's yankai. You see if you want something real wooden here. What be man paint depot? I will stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So Accra Kumasi Highway. Pobi Mantobo to wa.
Salute. Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pedriano Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso. Any Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a hoka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now Pa, Omuan Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep pinti. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row. At to phone friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Crato, Maja to Musay.
say, you know, when I'm out for a bench. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono. Go slow. The maze is cement. Action for pizza in the maze. Yeah, I am Chinner Hawaii. Me funu no morobomu kur. No baby sure yam no kuno kulogole. Eye Jaisu WMP capsule. Anye Jaisu WMP capsule. Ye titi yer ko be ya odrum bibla. We am bedroom erija wonanum pa ba bra sana wa ba. So your constipation I am chira. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No bomo we am nso hwei. Eye fibiara wo. I am chira. Otum ho wususu mo entrepreneur you from a one ho. That's a Jaisu WMP capsules. No, we are Bogo. Your friend, Macha. On time upon a we are go fine. The Bibiara reason. San Jaisu clinic away Jaisu WMP capsule. Have another friend. 0244 529398. Jaisu WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Unya bema no ade bia ogina phone so no.
Hello, I'm Rose here.
Wo fase no ochiri bibia.
Da bi o mempe, we de mitu.
Wadamfo no a, wo ni no adwuma mu a, de bia ono no no mu Coca-Cola twato. Yeni na yeni mobisa, nenso omuni ho a na aduane di asesa. Enkenya braye kabom e di Coca-Cola eji yeni. FDAG edwade nkrato yato.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3. Adom FM 106.3 FM.
Adom FM 106.3. Ghana's most authentic radio station. Top.
This is High Definition, an explosion in the city. 106.3 FM. They are tough. This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Tune it in. Tune it in. Tune it in. Tune it in. Turn it up. Rip off the knob.
Bad guys in the beating, by the way.
See where I know, where I shot, where I slim, where I fight, where I like skin on melanin. Baby, step in a circle and dance to the beat. Where I Angelique Kidjo, Monica Benedicta Ocaro, or maybe Mancheri Coco. Baby, step in a circle and dance to the beat. Show body. My best in the boom boom. You're rolling with a rock star, no be kum 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 kum. Shake it for your man, Juliana. Break it for your hand, Maria. Shake it for your hand, Juliana. Shake it for your hand, Maria.
And now you for move like a this. But it's so bad, make us speak Japanese. Konnichiwa, wa ginger the flow. Nana, Baba never seen that before. But like, child, you for slow down now. Where you program that? How you move your hand around like a pole dancer? The most sought after. She can't cut my eye. But I refuse to talk, she mami what I find. See, Kele no be issue. I get beauty queens down in Mogadishu. So talk better make her feel you. Or make her get to step in if I need to. I get busy. Wait now, I'm just playing. Small play, you want to knock to rough. Bad guy, Kwame Eugene. This way do when you get on you stop. Oh yeah. Show body.
lady. You are baby,
step in a circle and dance to the beat. Monica Benedicta.
Beatrice, Moanina Ho. Sending me a very beautiful message that the madam is celebrating a birthday, God willing, tomorrow, and that she want me to wish her a happy birthday. And I'm telling her, Madam Nidi my who are sending me picture. A picture, no, he didn't say didn't go. He said, what's your name still? I said, send the picture, another one.
My business, you're only with her.
You're cool, yeah, bro. You say, no, say, me, say, put picture into Adom 106. Oh, man. Door Master and Pokemon Paint Depot. Also, Brana enjoy a 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. What is it? Nah, you endorse no. Baby, over 100 designs and colors to choose from. From exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors to armored doors, bathroom doors, glass doors, flash doors, wooden metal doors to wooden panel doors. Nina are available. Oba painter from Ronswa. Your partner with News Paint. Stop. Yeah, Neyama Painty Papa. Euro standard News Paint. Say acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paint. Marine coating, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, wall primers, potty, just paint accessories. Yeah, the amount. Sana share etie. And then you news paint. Edition kwamba your friend will say, paint now, pay later. Yes, very simple. Nina say, Wabaji paint our person the paint. Say yes, schools, churches, hospitals, government institutions, offices, individuals, real estate developers. Nina, obet me about. I'm a beji paint TB. Who paint odani we are. Now spread this kind of man way to and crack. Our Brian for interest be a encounter Emma. Move like this. It take advantage. Therefore, any chums is here. Door Master and Pokemon Paint Depot. Yeah, Pokemon Tobut on the Accra Kumasi Highway. On our behalf. Yeah. It's one more day. Sorry about. And yes, our dear phrase 0542 745 222 and now 050 021 2447.
Wait now. I'm just playing a small play. You want
MTN say and can't just say free after one and naso. This in Yeja Famu Jimbi. Stop. Oh yeah. Kasasa. What the fro the park person in the bon common. Ne Kasasa. How there your oh. You pay for only the first minute of that call now, yeah. The rest is absolutely free. Sana share it here. It's your one is a bed dial star. Free meeting. I'm in Kwasha. If you are there to meet you. If you open dial a star 550 hash. Now I subscribe to MTN free after one. And then you stay connected because we are good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN everywhere you go. African lady. Okay, Tiambo Room, Hands Clothing Institute. Hands Clothing Institute of Fashion. Tema Community 1. Yeah, Ben, fire service for no honor. Na see you Nankasa. Madam Hannah. And Edina would day. So a happy birthday
And now you for move like this.
To you, Madam Hannah, CEO of Hans Clothing Institute of Fashion for Tema. Come to one.
You for slow down now.
Nyame Onsha no nyo kese. Na onto kwandem. Come.
See, Kele no be issue. I deputy Queenstown in Mogadishu.
Beatrice always show happy birthday.
I get busy.
Nyame Onsha.
I'm just playing a small play.
For the BBI friend.
Bad guy.
Earlier, Ansana Royal Aroma fortified rice na me be no. Ghana for make a tree be na see tree na make no enye proper. It's a near the pen at home mark you. Brand new. Why was so watching correction in me making sure some correction or na and she wouldn't just say make us say let me go back to the message now. Make us say me be chow achede. Me be chow achede. Say me kase me be chow achede. Say me kase me be chow ade. Because achede. So ndi eno nyawo me be chow achede. Ala me ga bia me be chow bibi. Ba me chow achede. Ndi esima me kase me be chow achede ba sana me kan earlier. It is say me be chow ade. It yana Ghana for na me be chow ade nti ade na me be chow no mache.
Can speak Japanese.
Correction done, sir.
Never seen that before. But like, child, you for slow down now. When you program that, you're not around like the pole dancer. The most sought after. She really caught my eye. But I refuse to talk. She only what I find. So, Kele no be issue. I get pretty Queenstown in Mogadishu. So talk better make her feel. Or make her get to step in if I need. I get busy. Wait now. I'm just
Jerry. This is your man Sam Bannerman here. In the United States of America, shout going out to my lovely wife, aka Shayo, here in the US with me, and also to my family back home in Ghana. Oh yeah, Akwitiman in Accra. Sambana man here, shout. We also see greetings, Jerry. Please wish my sister a happy birthday for me. Her name is Charity Kwabla Ajo. She lives at Bisa. That is Ask. What they call Bofumwa. Bisa. How much say it's a village near Asesewa. All right. And then Nyame Onshano. And this one came in from Doris. From Spinkters here in Accra. Fabius, Mama stop me anyway. My bonus I got him say. I'm Eugene. I got something to be here. This one here says hello, Dickon. Please
never seen that before.
Wish my dear niece, Miss Mabel, where you can come of Kaswa, a happy birthday. May God Almighty shower His blessings upon her in Jesus' name. And this one's come from the uncle, Dickon Frederick Nana Asante of Mount Zion Church of Pentecost, where here in Northampton, England.
Wait now, I'm just playing a small play. You want to know? Bad guy. This way, when you get
and a happy birthday in advance. And so I'm coming Anita na Adole Papu. Anita na Adole Papu. Oh, snit. God willing, tomorrow is going to be your birthday. A happy birthday to you in advance. This one's coming from your cousins, Ajwa Magi and Leonie. Wishing you a happy birthday.
You're only with a rock star, no be kum 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 kum. Check it for your heart, Juliana. Check it for your heart, Maria. Check it for your heart, Juliana. Check it for your heart, Maria.
Oh my baby shiki,
poto. And then a happy birthday in advance also encore Emma Rejoice Zanu. That's Rejoice Zanu. Happy birthday in advance. Tomorrow happens to be your birthday. Wishing you God's blessings. This one's coming from Inshra Beauty Salon. Chantel Ochewa.
Baby, step in a circle and dance.
Greetings, Jerry. Please wish our sister, Miss Patience Dapa of St. James Catholic Church, Osu. Okay, so a happy. Hey, Charlie. Oh, okay, so a happy 50th birthday, though belated, and then a happy birthday in advance. Enkoma Jita Nana Kwesi Umabo of Presec, and then Mrs. Cynthia Wilbeck, ICGC Christ Temple. May the favor of God be their portion. From Nana, Mama Ruby, and the rest of the family.
But like, child, you first slow down now. When you program that, how you move your hand around like a pole dancer. The most sought after, she gonna cut my eye. But I refuse to talk, she mami what I find. See, Kele no be issue. I deputy queens down in Mogadishu. So talk better make her feel you. Or make her get to step in if I need to. I get busy. Wait now, I'm just playing a small play. You want to turn to rough? Bad guy, Kwame Eugene. This way, when you get on, you stop. Oh yeah. My African lady. My African lady. My body party, they tum tum. And you dancing with every gym as I used to. This week, my baby ninja boom boom. You rolling with a rock star, no be kum 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 kum. Check it for your man, Juliana. Break it for your hand, Maria. Check it for your hand, Juliana. Break it for your hand, Maria. Oh my baby shake it, yeah, ne poto poto. Oh my baby shake it, yeah, ne poto poto. Oh my baby shake it, yeah, ne poto 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 poto. Shake it, yeah, ne poto poto.
Catch him was a new way, Mamma from when. Yes, and one hour count, and you will be some way. It is some way. Eti, you really say, you know. Now, I say, a feminine Kwame Eugene party, no. Ya shall say, na ya de koy anymore. Eti yanko way back kakra. Yanko Kwame Eugene way back kakra. Ha, na fi yensha party na say.
Sexy gear.
You remember this one?
Call me Eugene.
Rockstar.
How can you live life without me? I promise you down, me never ever go touch your body until we marry. How can you live life without me? I promise you down, me never ever go touch your body until we marry. I never want it boom bang bang 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 boom bang bang. So give me one chance. I never want it boom bang bang 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 boom bang bang. So give me one chance. Oh yeah, make I show you some big man tip. I know they your body show something. Every day I go decorate lip bell you go, cause I'm Mr. Romantic. You are my good girl, but that to that I go cherish your body, oh. Only you girl, I care for you, never got that Jenny Kelly, oh. If you like it, we gon' do it your way. Cause you are the only reason why I pray. Never go touch you long to the day. We go marry them, we bang to the day. I never go there. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang, boom, bang, bang. Bang, bang, boom, bang, bang. So give me one chance. I never go there. Bang, bang, boom, bang, bang. Bang, bang, boom, bang, bang. Bang, bang, boom, bang, bang. So give me one chance. Oh yeah. Be my mommy, I go be your daddy. No mama, no dada until we marry. I go be your husband, so be my wife. And I can get one out, get one out. Oh na na, oh na na, blow my mind, blow my mind. Oh my heart, yeah, I never go let you like anybody. One more thing to put you with Tiana, oh biada. My penny, you drive me, and I hate you. My baby, I promise to make you my lover. So don't cry, my girl. If them try we, one night. If them try we, man go shy, man go die. If them try we, one night. Sarah, they envy you, don't mind them. My heart desire, my one fitting and passive. I'm working harder, so I go show you dollar. I'll buy you mine, I don't go do you dollar. I'm working harder, so I go show you dollar. I'll buy you mine, I don't go do you dollar. If them try me, one night. If them try me, man go shy, man go die. If them try me, one life. If them try me, man go shy, man go die. Ada, baby shine, baba, baba. Ada, I'm a let go dear baro. Ada, baby shine, baba, baba. Ada, I'm a let go dear baro. So my baby, call me daddy, don't you worry, go down for me. So my baby, call me daddy, don't you worry, go down for me. So my baby, call me daddy, don't you worry, go down for me. So my baby, call me daddy, don't you worry, go down for me. He done try me, wallahi, he done try me, mango shy, mango die. He done try me, wallahi, he done try me, mango shy, mango die.
Euradis.
Mango shy, mango die. He done try me.
Kwam nyamte. Me una ba obejami. So at as me medical catch akacheti for that. Say una ba first. But part me so na ma sha say jam me my filia. My filia. So right now no. The woman say you for make I know which one go and say some question we bisa that by any time be bisa obi and I say o person wo so no bisa na ade ene de bomodia do well and tell me something. O favorite Kwame Yuji song here there when you na me boy no sisi a Walai
that's my favorite.
Oh ene mama sam obi
That's my favorite one.
Sa
yeah mama chills
Walai na your favorite
mama chills you see and Walai this is the simin kan baby ada who's been meet me
catch me
and the hono no na mera ho kra
baby no
na me kwa na me says
me sumuti a hono do I chi me pa
na mera ho mango shy mango da utie say dem to akwa he don't try we
na say that o chesa tufu akoma bisa bi no
wala if makuma mo
straight
yeah
wow
cause from and me and me say produce you know I spent more time on
so it's like you gave it your all
my all
wow Charlie Sabatio, the other time he began to work also, but then they work. It's Kwame Eugene or no one Kwame Eugene favorite. Lie, and it's a beautiful song. Thank you. And you we Kaipa say me am women passa, but on my wedding day, and you we me did diasa, and then my wife was like, nah. Ebane say no timi sas because on no him say me nyade but me surprise with this song.
The power of the song.
Asanu ko ye pa mini ba bi adade na fi ba ya. Ko ye. But me mama san me nya kra no de me ye che Alexis and there no krani na me because san crofo no de. Omo de ye be come asem later because me sure kra na. But miss me favorite there so nim dada.
Nobody.
No. Somebody there Charlie. 14 tell that song. So
yeah. Oba me fiad. Say Kwame show body there. Say oba body pani to.
Oh Charlie.
And you dance with a witch man sign.
Yes.
My busy ninja gungun. You are you a rock star.
No be gungun. Oh.
And your friend will
David no original. Now said the work here. Young funny free hono. Never share a dibedru. baby shake it on na yenti hon he
Oba body panning it tum and you're dancing with a rich messa.
It's true.
My busy ninja boom boom. You're only with a rock star, no be kum kum. Shake it for your daddy, Juliana. Take it for you, mommy. Maria.
Baby, to was it? Mommy, go. Yes, I me try me to. Mommy, tell them to you. Okay, first one, shake what?
Shake it for your daddy.
First one, shake it.
Shake it for your daddy, Maria.
For your daddy,
Mariama. Shake it for your daddy, Juliana. Juliana.
So Mariama ne Juliana.
Oh, my baby shake it, kone boko. My baby shake it, kone boko.
Baby, I'm to the poto say no boko.
My baby shake it, boko.
Oh man,
boko.
It's a beautiful song.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful song, and I love it so much. Me, I do me dream one in tears. I just love that song.
And there I can intro the one some cry.
So they intro. Oh, Charlie, it will arrest your attention.
It just starting now. Mensa intro.
Charlie. You can't say a card there, but Kwame, you've done a lot.
Thank you.
What boy Juma near there and now from the beginning, no more year. Now, one moment now is Empire. Juma no bet me and now Guswa now. Yes. You say awards in the idea the JJ1 idea na say ya so di so mahu say JJ1 oh ni na ye hwe anim kwan idea but now looking at the industry said the enema is here koefa and amount for projections on year with COVID-19 or share corner or no more factor in na I say I sound surprising because now I'm out for now doing that so baby I do there and then about the back to normal but it looks like I said they had an econ there they made them break a crack now factor that one in you as Kwame Eugene na wababe artist of the year na eni dudu na ehwe wa ne ade no way forward not at the same for you
to say the can COVID-19 idiot I think say Ejuma abehane pie music because it's a worst chain movies no crowd and this is here no say obi twa movie na and say omajuma na say onyo ye de no say che omode no because omode ne de say utimi gina baby atwa movie and nipa be 10 betimi atwa movie ba utimi ka so ko bo hwa ma nipa 10 utimi nya says kan nipa 10 betimi a hye dem atwa movie e be a compound be say e mamom bro 25 nipa 10 nipa 20 betimi a but me nye show nkasa me expecting nipa
and omutwa wie so a and there are so many ways on betimi distribute to the people amama for some of them akoso ahwe
in the first place no the only revenue I wo I say a bed drop in your mono near the akoto computer so se kohwe internet and no penny wo because you see an weddings name mabium engagements name ma abuche shows name ma outdoor shows name ma Christmas ni nti ya mo show Val's Day ya mo show Easter ya mo show enti no sisi a no opese hu odwuma eni bi mo ba who musicians ni mo bo and asem me take catch me ma me ne say one reason why I work hard all the time ne say the minim ne say obi a ne ho be mo bo pan owi ase obi a wagidin no niska
ame enye se enye
ebeye mo bo off say wagidin na
ho akade ni mo
wagidin obi animo wa ho pese obefa trotro because obi animo
yes
but
the means no so hard betimi dey
uba so too expensive put me in marketing kotonioma I just say go shopping mall enti I just say untimi nko kantamanto untimi because uko kantana bia o de obe pesa obe koto but for na hwe o ti ase na oton ade na ma na besan ka che say na de oji o ti ase enti wagidin o ensu sikani ubotom ya pa enti me ka say this year de obi omo bon pa ya ma adwuma bi omo ma musician because musicians be but then again Kakra. I mean, you're surviving.
By no man for Kanka say, I mean, for the lives of young ones, yeah, my baby. I say, mono, whom say Nemo Mwede, but still now more sanguine there. I say,
yeah, because of Era na ye beto ye no. Era na ye beto nti said me kan no.
Yeah.
She said me nyumi am releasing the name. She said I come more than 40,000 views already.
Whoa.
Yes. And now 40,000 views no tia me ka. What you say? I remember Open Gate me 1 million in a week.
Sir?
Yeah. 1 week now Open Gate I hit 1 million. And you know, no kakra no betimi assort me out to say nyoma mu baby. What you say?
Yeah.
And you know, the man say young ones, no, you're okay, kakani, streaming now, bano. Yes, the man ko 40 and ko 4 channel. Na omutiaeka. And no na ma bebo, but shows ne the artist castle. Because shows in New ma. That means, as I say, we are more juma.
Yeah.
Na ma, and you're hit to online more. A chief fear cry.
Yeah.
Because if you're the idea, you can download the note here, no, I don't know, yes, can be. That's social media. But Ghana find all iTunes, Ghana find all Spotify. What if Ghana find all Deezer, Ghana find all Amazon? What you say? And still, you're okay, sir.
Kakra. Kwame enemi makasa ne yen bebi medical catch amount for that say na ne be jam nti no said the wo cheche enu man te ase showbody ni ade new one eno so ye be fa ne break ni sa na enti ase na ba more ye be room. But before we do that ye be call the new ones, right? Can we share me na oka walai ho asem no oka say you worked on that song yourself near this, so it's like wow. I know you are good when it comes to that, and reach you to on a level no mean, you know what I'm saying, but tell me, how is it like when you get an idea and this is how you want to go about it, and you know say you can just share with him and he can just program something for you, but one can so maybe you want to do that thing yourself. That we are not saying.
Okay, so Richie, program your mommy, Sisia, no, blessing. It's a gift.
Okay,
because he barely does that recently. Yeah. Yes, sir. On produce. When was the last time I see Richie production?
Say be more de obey mama.
Na Richie the onyan sound did not sign you be boys that you produce or mom.
Only kid one more de.
Normally what he does is the final touch.
Okay.
Why are you married? Obakasa Fabra.
Yeah.
No ye che baby dia be share ni mu ye no ahye no fofo. Said ye be fata marketing because ot market na se. That's what Richie does. But see our jai beat and me chat mon two course. Me be na not tires amano. Media me free street in buy na me producer that. I come dem na me buy enti no. Papa ne sign me na me bo beat. E tro me nyom deda. Enti media be kase oh dey say koyebra. Na makọ studio na ma ye bibia na me dey aba no akase okay. No yi ha no wa mix no wa master no. Now or dey aba out. Enti most of me nyom no me na me produce it say confusion. Walai me na me produce ye never carry last. Me na me produce adwinfi. What you say? And me the man I know I final one. Me kai come and see my mother. So I get Miss video.
Yeah.
Me ye be no so be ye be can ho no change be ne. What you say? Or the net minyansa ne be can ho a man on
makes it complete.
Ingredients be. And you know, we need Richie around to, give us that midas touch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. So in a situation where maybe you as an artist, you can do your own, you can do the thing for yourself, but you want the touch of another producer that producer knows something unique maybe you are building an album album there diverse kakra you need way a feel ne kakra in it that flexibility no horse that you can work with other producers say with this particular song it is this producer who will work on it entirely and then you put it on that album.
Sometimes said it depends on the nyom na obe dropping. So me per feel we say me per high life me call Willis beat homo.
Okay.
Because what the high life at. Or no first no tie Kofi Kinanta nyom. ono no ball will beat the ball wish me well mama me pe high life am ko ne ho ana say me so me te high life ase pa but me pe afrobeat me ko emoji ho because ono so te afrobeat ase pa
okay
what you say to say ye kun say ye hip hop omo mienu na no omo nya hip hop engineers what you say we afrobeat we high life into hip hop no to say ye kun say am ye mo chame kwame me ana me ball beat no make say master produce ye bibia
so that one wow yeah wow
yeah kun and me bibi basic me na me ball beat no and I called boy be a friend of Papin. Say oh Papin also for idea be shame. And normally sanet here. Oh okay. Baby a corner. No I should be o good wo. Now managing in saka. Te say Angela say. Me na me di kan boy Angela. Me boy you know. Na me new obi ante menka.
Yeah.
Na reach far adwuma no. Ni na oni beat na my body na no dey come a Q beat. And I say boss, bonne for my.
So no. I'm interested in that part. You after doing everything, no, and Richie, say Mufama Q beat, but he could have done it himself. But now Richie now let me hear. But no, yes, say Mufama Q beat
because of the idea for.
That's a good one.
What you say? Satan am to me chorus me be enti ono so ayi me beat no, and no oye ni beat ni na for. And I think it's one of the reasons why Angela. Still me big
Yenti Angela. Wow, I love that story around this song. Wow.
Qubit Jenny and your call links archive more. Who near me boy, you know. Because me na minji and also I better say okay. Angela nie.
Yeah.
What you say? Now your management can say okay, you will release a bit to me afa. But Richie when in Yansemuno, see okay, he needs that Qubit touch on the song.
Yeah.
And or didn't you mean now come on Qubit. And or Qubit didn't you back no near in your TD Richie can say.
Okay, so at that point after QB's touch on it, no, I want to out here, you know, no say it was worth it. Say, friends, boss, cast a move on come QB.
Still, not maintenance here because
whatever I need, I still don't
here because me beat me boy. I took my time. Me call the Angela late night. Cry no be anyone. Me wanna be spending time here. And you know, now me maintain say so see am come QB. And the QB here by you know. Me say it be like almost the same thing on
yeah.
And I say you know what he's talking about. What you say? And media me tradition. So I me trying here to experience what he's talking about.
Yeah.
What you say? And that Qubit touch actually did the magic. And you not in your can say. Unze nyome bu ono ma radio adwuma mu behu.
Yeah.
Betena ha. Me free ha meko ba na me hu nyewa hu no.
Yeah.
Sa na no so tie. I was new. Eti nyo kan no na mente ase. Na nje me de se disi ade bia meti Angela me de se me nya ntobo ase tina chi se okay mbese me hu nyo kan no mbese meti ase. And it took time. And disi a me no ka say Angela enenam more than 16 million.
That is a cash no kwa na eko no.
It's been very good.
Anyway, that's what's bad. I want us to get into the new one now. Yendi and home komokaka. Tell us about it first. Now, we are
okay, so it's Dala new. But there's a whole high life Afrobeat church vibe.
Wow.
I had 3 vibes now. Me kabo muye nyumwe because for a while now I've been doing a lot of features. My features be brave me with Ochame Kwame. My BB Besi with Kwame Yogurt. My Happy Day with Sarkodie. My No Darling with Keche. My features be brave. But me and Kasadi been dropping single for a while now. So I figure say coming back with a single no.
Yeah.
As I said me be Obia be related as usual. So you related to a Kwame Eugene song no. A bit to say Obia to regardless of wherever you find yourself.
Yeah.
Say nyame adoma akwana mitimi to be mo Obia to asori to me to Obia to me to Obia to me to. And you know, I needed to do another song. Obia woni die wom. Baby a wo bia no. And you know who related to. So it has a high life feel, it has Afrobeat feel, and it has a church feel. And you know, it's basically talking about what everybody brings on the table, to what an extent somebody can go to make Obi Odono any budget. And you know, I can't say Udi way back table neso as Medofwa. This me the way beba. But I said a bear and Sakon and Saba. So if you give me your money, I'll give you my dollar. If you give me my car, I'll give you my son and your name.
Oh, okay. And what will I give you so that you give me the Range Rover?
Wow.
I feel now wow.
Range Rover need I just say you give me the
anyway, it's dollar on you. The new one from Kwame Eugene Afi Yentwa and Komoso.
We didn't come here to play. King Kong. Oh yeah. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you, girl. If you put your body on me, then I put my money on you. I put my dollar on you, girl. Oh, girl, you looking so amazing. For you, I think I'm going crazy. Oh, girl, your body's so amazing. And I don't wanna leave your side. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you, girl. Body on me, put my money on you, put the dollar on you, girl. I go make you see that, Jola, I go make you see that, Jola, You make her fall in love, my heart is all for you. I go show you money. My car today outside, I go show you money. Oh girl, you looking so amazing. For you, I think I'm going crazy. Oh girl, your body's so amazing. I don't want to leave your side. Put your body on me, I put my money on you. Put the dollar on you, girl. Body on me, put my money on you, put the dollar on you, girl. I go make you see that. I go make you see that. If you put your body on, I go put my money on, I go put my dollar on. Body on, I go put my money on, I go put my dollar on. I go make you see that, I go make you see that,
Yes, Rockstar made it. Wow. Now, quick one. Inti, what they o kunchola ne be sheshe hono no. Na anyebia okay no, mamin generalizing mamin kon say. when you are working on a project, now say what they some keywords be more and what some notable songs we are gonna phone him that they can relate to. Now walk of now the baby show them at that point no. Then of course would him say, hey, we am the question Ghana for because say ubinum baby nam there besha I about him. Okay,
so before Mayor Sano, now I have a very solid reason. Okay. Because one, I am a person kind of for said BBC I see that because mostly a new board may beat me at 20 years. Now you're Janabo. I say maybe yeah. What you say? So when you're bad to pick a line to carry you say okay we were what you say? And at two, so me cause say me share a churchy vibe. I can't me way one. Now there is idea be a ma sorry pa ma sorry pa. Be time be drivable between but hey you we also na I saw you be say hey you we ho. It happens. Yes. And you say me sure bibi sa na e ba me trim sa na ehun hia say okay I need a churchy vibe ebeka we hu na ebefa. I think that it is worth it say me di be she makai. But I sometimes to do you think about ABA onipa kono whether will be all right to that now ABA obet me how later on and now you go ahead to seek. It is very necessary. It is very necessary. Intina normally you either go for permission to yeah official that probably and yet sign power in the start yet. Okay, so let's relate it to this particular one, like the Okumchola. Okay, so maybe you have permission on it to use it and now say and no a free down. Okay, Okumchola, because Okumchola in there, some you any Okumchola, it's a miracle. Chola. Yamo ya me fe odu baby to Okumchola, it's a miracle. Castro crowd. What you say? Castro crowd. Ain't you know? As new as I am. Said your candidate mean that once you keep permission be out. There be said you make can know unyan to what one or two ways they say whether I seek permission or I didn't seek permission. And yet my listeners know business, sir. Okay. What you say? I said they be I am fan say Chris Brown. Afa Celine Dion idea no ne Celine Dion conversation. Now listeners know your moduma so mu beti ama money aje no. Omo concentration here. Say permission and what I say and yes I say okay yanko bisa so whatever it is no it's between the artist and whoever have to go and pay homage or rights to. Okay, what I say if I have to what I say and it say o to nyom na ode dem dina me na wazi Yehovah and the okasa operation nipa kono bebre and the bebre but Okunchola dey ya dey bebre what I say and you know as new as I am Mati Okunchola from Asori Mati from Castro Mati from Prophet Setfrimpon and me I need to make time to figure out the free na no kra no what I say Okunchola no kra what I say there okay the Mati was sorry ni say you come Okunchola na my mama so say it's a miracle. Ain't you know? It is a miracle. Maybe another Okumchola and Quay, Confusion, I was I did a professor to import the Castro Munya said, Omuk of me. What I say, and besides that, you can say Okumchola now, Omar so it's a miracle. And make us say, okay, when you bring this on the table, I'll also do this for you. No, now make us say, I will make a miracle in your life. What I say, and you know, I will let you see that. Okumchola, which is a miracle. Yeah. What you say? And you know, in my writing skills, no, Sana Mishishesi, and I needed that churchy vibe. Okay. That's why I have to make kind of for say this was once there. But I will be glad if ubet me walking through you know ya catch a vibe ni ya na semne wom ni na I don't know yeah let's play it one more time. Okay, and then sometimes one now to be sana am I we didn't come here to play we didn't come here to play. That's how I started the song. We didn't come here to play. I mean, you're all the way here. Say about Diago. Okay, ode headphone na network from there. We didn't come here to play. Well, Bills. Yo.
They're checking it.
Oh yeah. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you, girl. If you put your body on me, then I put my money on you. I put my dollar on you, girl. Oh yeah, you're looking so amazing.
You're looking amazing.
For you, I think I'm going crazy. Oh, your body's so amazing. So I don't want to leave your side. Okay, yeah. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you, girl. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you, girl. And I go make you see that, oh, chola, 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 eh, oh, chola. I will make you see that, oh, chola, 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 oh, chola, eh. You make her fall in love. My heart is all for you. I go show you money, money, money. Gonna Simon sister, my car's today outside. I will show you money, money, money. Oh girl, you're looking so amazing. For you, I think I'm going crazy. Oh girl, your body's so amazing, and I don't want to leave your side. Yeah. But if you put your body on me, I put my money on you, I put the dollar on you, girl. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you, I put the dollar on you, girl. And I go make you see that, oh, chola, chola. I never mind for the chola. I go make you see that, oh, chola, 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 oh, chola, If you put your body on, I go put my money on, I go put my dollar on you. If you put your body on, I go put my money on, I go put my dollar on you. And I go make you see that, chola, oh, chola. I go make you see that, oh, chola, chola, oh, chola, na beat na bama, pum 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 pum, oh, chola, rockstar, made it.
Kwame, I say, on shut down, bread hitting who's out.
Now, we just show me. I want to miss sure I know.
I saw a couple now, see, I just a hit down.
And me free, I see Alberto. I
love that one. And then they are. Send one of Cophobia to buy you.
I don't know. I'm
all right, so that is
dollar
on you. And it's finally out, baby. So all the platforms in the amount for beating.
Jump on it. It's clean good, and I'll be. Me Dagana fast pan. Let me use this opportunity to say, me Dagana fast because menina, and yet baby I'm fini.
Yeah.
If you achieve what budget, Yamia Domakwa.
Yeah.
And Motimia so me Muamana Bedu say. And in Tina, I think say. You know, there's one thing about me. Say, Obia betemu free, but Kwame di Ochema Obia be kind of one. There's one thing about me in this country, and I believe say because omuhu mashasye.
Yeah.
Abesi mpempenso anyamia form so de medui. Enti ya na Obia pese okra me no dane me kakra. Said ye be ya me nko say yim. Enti me ti how sometimes Ghanaians want to talk about me because ye hu akola we nti men tete mu na me nam mo no nti me tiase and I appreciate it so much nti se me koboni a enye boni se omo betwe me ebe ma me nka ye se ebia anamo a me fasi enko yi ana ebia nso nyame ani ana enso Ghana fo ani nti I appreciate and I avail myself to be nurtured. I avail myself to be advised. Many so because I never mamma my cast a come you mamma koyo, and it means a lot to me. Because a man in Egypt, maybe I don't come
sure.
No, 50 more years. Said you bet me antena maintain chest, so I appreciate baby. Multi pajama bedroom, many so pan. I'm sure. All
right. I come per se, yeah, ikakra, but say time no. Into Jama just said this year, but this one day, let me ask you a quick one. Not long ago, when I Polo issues by any other, celebs be no more crucify as and by now in a free one, no more. And you jumped on it all the end of man, shed who's a way, but only all cats, all cats, or rasta or dread no for hair. Now, Lincoln with me about Musa Ukuchoti, and now you were tired of your dread and you
wasn't tired of it. I was actually enjoying that hairstyle. I was enjoying it because
I'm out for so dear no I said what would be a shimmy the and Daniel or natural side, you know. Now, person now
tiny and bread.
Now, person chatter than I wash that the coffee
tiny bread or so. You said, yes, Utimi 14 one or roll cover for a bit.
So it's not like Wankasa you wanted to get rid of it.
No. I was enjoying that hairstyle. Obika catch me. And then that's the case there, rockstar.
And if that's the case there, and I don't know when training now that Sakura
I needed to my main church move into me. Yes, I'm about crapping. Okay, so what I did was me what is going on. I said. Then finally said you're charging it because saying why what you're charging it because saying why meaning me need right say me decide I'm a judge be and as a magistrate be on what to do with a Krapping Polo's issue but what I wanted to voice out was what a colleague in the entertainment industry would do for another colleague what you say in my little way and then my little voice I made media voice out the little attention I can grab for situation now yes Stanley go through at that moment that is why I had to do that what you say and when I said it brought some attention because no be I can't want them say will you go because of the next day no makosa ni nature so what you say and it created some awareness and no can message because mentia say the judge no SSO ye and the SSO ye mean ko judge na adwuma ma no what you say say do ye ni nyo say nyo mentem rase ndu sa extent no to the judge no knowledge enti mean decide my judge no but me kona kakra bi dede a metimi aye ama ani aba ho say okay oye nia no no so say no fam no eno na me ye no
okay
what you say
okay Mentias, Mentias, and so from here, what's next? Any of this also from here, what's next? Because it's here, you know, and in the sound and our first night I say, hey, I know, I'm rough for me. Yeah, the Koreana, it is from here, then because they say, I see earrings on both ears nowadays, so they say rockstar na bomb more pan there.
No, there be enya who say.
The clip ni bia.
As sorry some news woman.
And so we will be
anyway ya to.
Some cry na first mabo. Also had who say mu na by say
me mistake ba obetwe ante no. Enti no oba no mayi. Me
the clip ni there will be on.
Enti no.
We are not there clip kakana. Ya rockstar.
Messiah Basri ni. Enti no. And a Basri so dear.
Basri then cry there. Mimi Pentecost no.
No, me did Come on, yes, man. Yeah, on say, so we did a young. It's your union, son. And you tell me, I say, as a mamma, you may any. What I say, and you know, I saw you so yeah, I just mean to mean Pinny Mason. What I say, yeah, for flex. I mean, all right,
Nina,
and my Nino be said. I'll go away with nothing.
All right. And then you say, and you face here some other time. Yeah, saying that was be. Say $1 on you. It's everywhere. And
real quick, let me say thank you to you. Say, oh, passing me out the boat and you no man. Mitio Ofie Kwanso meniaji. Sometimes me drive na mitio na oba na meniaji because said you obey that I mean Emma pushing me to do another song.
Wow, then do more.
Until okay me target won say me ma obebo ne sen. The liberty won say because me the banner one kan won say we man anko yi o ti ase e say nti nyame shroud.
Amen.
You're holding me down.
Amen. So this is the song.
We didn't come here to play.
Make sure say baby every platform so beat me na mama saka there when now we stream bia na there. So I say dollar on you. That's the new joint from Kwame Eugene.
I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you, girl. If you put your body on me, then I put my money on you. I put my dollar on you, girl. Oh, girl, you looking so amazing. For you, I think I'm going crazy. Oh, girl, your body's so amazing. And I don't wanna leave your side. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you, girl. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you, girl. I go make you see that, oh, Jola, eh, oh, Jola. I go make you see that, oh, Jola.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
My heart is all for you. I go show you money.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Oh, girl, you looking so amazing. For you, I think I'm going crazy. Oh, girl, your body's so amazing. I don't want to leave your side. Put your body on me. I put my money on you. Put the dollar on you, girl. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. Put the dollar on you, girl. I go make you see that. I go make you see that. If you put your body on, I go put my money on. I go put my dollar on.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
I go make you see that. I go make you see that.
Brian Guswadi Kabum Equatia COVID-19 ye Ecobac Emma Wakanya Hodwa, what the bets nephew, upon mobile, no way to me do sick as sem Ashawa Wonsem. For Ecobank Mobile, Didra, Babia near Brebia, so Ecobank account, and now Winibie. For text message, and now email so for Manisika, to credit, Tiao bills, a brown Wutifie Edrido. Say Sika Pudu na only a Didra. For your internet banking, so Ecobank QR code, Mao Kwai Maufa Abe for Secretary Kwanso, Etiania Management, I would work out. One for Sikapati, Entia, Tri Ecobank Mobile, and Neya will Google Play Store, App Store, and I am Facebook page, and now Bosta 770 hash, and will phone Biaso, Nasha see Didra, Ecobank, General Ho, Kaisa Obama Kwai, Adaunia for frontem, Eata Horo and Sa, and Afi, and phone Sankiko and him.
So him Webia, for Ecobank Contact Center, it was 0800-003-2225, I won't Tiashi, and now from, it was 0302-213-999, Abrebia Debia.
Snefira Bo Mobile, Ecobank, the Pan-African Bank.
Chase. Ah, ja, na lebe no. Ade na wo ma gina bonten twan sa.
Oh, kwabena. Oh, program bi a me hwe wo me HD plus decoder foforo bi a makogene so. Esewani, me hu se me na me hwe no. Se onu no wo hwe mi o. Bibia ye clear. What? Plus. Between you many crowd. Pure high definition quality ankasa. Na channels no so. Between she musa hu nyombi na otwiri nyina. Abramense no ansa na matwusu ni amehwe. When the power to select no. Esa wo parental access control feature bi wo so a. Emma nkwala ne nhwe bibia keke o. Oh pewe na afede. Sa June we dey. Mehwe Euro 2020 no ewo HD Plus so. And the picture quality ni dey. And that's so wine. What's bet ma show local channels are when it do nyina. Feely. Ewo razor sharp high definition so. Look sharp and yeah. Now so straight TV send your fata. So multi TV data. Wo here satellite dish for phobia. So for more information for 0242 439 872 and now your website hd-plus.com.gh. Bibia wo HD Plus and only feely experience. Pa.
No matter the culture that may change the tradition, no matter the rhythm that may change the groove, we still remain the same. Because it's the same great taste that brings the same great memories. Your favorite Club Minerals is now Club Sparletta. Yes, Club Sparletta with the same refreshing flavors: muscatella, orange, soda, and tonic. Go on, enjoy the new Club Sparletta. Club Mineral, now Club Sparletta, is still your favorite soft drink. This advert is FDA approved.
Syndicated Capital introduces the Silent Night range of luxury mattresses and pillows. And for the first time, the Silent Night pregnancy and nursing pillows, crafted to provide exceptional relief for your legs, belly, and back during pregnancy, as well as amazing back support feeding your baby. No more sleepless nights and no more hustle with breastfeeding. Check out the Super Pillow Top Orthopedic Mattress, made with 12 inches of memory foam cushioning, providing unparalleled comfort and guaranteed to last for 20 years. No mattress comes close in comfort and support. Also available are high-quality bird sheets, reversible quills, a large collection of orthopedic pillows and luxurious towels at unbelievable prices. Silent Night products are available at all Melcom shops, game stores, and Silent Night showrooms at Tema, Asylum Down, Adenta, Spintex Road, and Kumasi behind Menchia Palace, or call 0302 242532 or 050-131-5776. Silent Night. Sleep like never before.
Mothers of Africa. Mommy, my day in your day.
And what's the Ofa Geisha Semina Subai? Gina Hopinti na Kowenim. Mempaba. Cause it's a one Sabeka we need a swadi nina.
Matamame, Majina painting Akomenim, Namachapa to say Geisha Semina. Be strong and
Sankratway, empty Ajiatu.
Hey, Ama, Missy Ne, boy be a Missiano. Real deal, package Ankasa, tall, dark, pink lips, muscular with six-packs, handsome, with designer clothes and shoes, baby. Girl, he wasn't playing at all. Hey, that. I was eyeing him the whole time. Sonia Mitchell, I strategically positioned myself in front of him. And then he opened his mouth and said hello. Oh, we're ready. And Capelli. Hey, slow.
Don't let this happen to you. Use the new Blue Close-Up Cool Breeze toothpaste. It comes with a new minty flavor for long-lasting fresh breath. Stay fresh with Cool Breeze, because blue is the new cool. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Do you want that special rice? Special rice. Do you want that special rice? Food Love is special rice. If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisemu Nafi. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hello, Ache. Hey, one miss, Papa. Semi catcho. Me catcho see a betcha George. Giorgio, quite ya, chino, Filica dochi.
Hey, wait, you boy, a den you see.
And see, now one name is Sissy Clear.
Amma, hello, Amma, hello.
Sewupe stories are asresem or do any drama womu dia. She Bounce Chronicles. Roger Channel 118. If you say stories no, yeah dia wo Go TV so. Koju Go TV decoder. Tia 109 Ghana cities. Nenya ekukudama what drama, telenovelas and sports mo. Connectify my Go TV app so and now accredited dealer Bia Bell Emu and she shake a crowd. Go TV. Love it.
Umami nyapanwa ofumejiano. Unya bema no ade bia ogina phone so no.
Hello, I'm Rose here.
Wo fase no ochiri bibia.
Da bi o mempe, we de mi twi.
Wadanfo no a, we ni no adwuma mu a, de bia ono no mu Coca-Cola twato. Yeni na yeni mu bisa, nenso omuni ho a na aduane di asesa. En Kenya braye kabom e di Coca-Cola eji yeni. FDAG edwade nkrato yato.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was me di mobile money. See me with our workers car. Nanso charges kwa 380 cedis.
We send this can kwa charges no. Wait there cement 10 bags so. Me ni atie. Se wo be move ko Vodafone cash and ka wo be service ka bebre.
Vodafone cash. Me say me network ni there.
Tie. Wo send this ka wa sawo network no so no. Yeta wo send this ka free wo network no so akwa network foforo no. Eno so yeta na emum tie asem de pa. Wo send this ka wo Vodafone cash so a free. Wo send this ka free Vodafone cash akwa network bia so eno so ye free. Masa inti wa ka try me. What so ye dan was sawo network no so. Move bra Vodafone cash se
Hey, masa leadership na to bola musisi a.
I know say there wo send this ka wo Vodafone cash so akwa network bia so a ye free. Send this ka do bia emprend do bia akwa network bia so free. Dial *110# se in send this ka.
Mensa dia mi shre mi ni papai ni atenka minya ensa we fe na hana so de ehia me pa entuma mi fra eno na mi di tu me ho enti na maje bs na atum prekope efri se e wo mosu ho awodra ya frafra emma woni emenimpa ne sanso ma wontuma ye kama afibo bs na eni kuntama eda wonso wakoma so sankratwe FDAG.
No matter the culture that may change the tradition, no matter the rhythm that may change the groove, we still remain the same. Because it's the same great taste that brings the same great memories. Your favorite Club Minerals is now Club Sparletta. Yes, Club Sparletta with the same refreshing flavors. Muscatella, orange, soda, and tonic. Go on, enjoy the new Club Sparletta. Club Mineral, now Club Sparletta, is still your favorite soft drink. This advert is FDA approved.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Adom FM 106.3, Ghana's most authentic radio station. Top.
Adom FM 106.3 FM.
This is High Definition, an explosion in the city. 106.3 FM. They are tough.
Ghana nyumnina hadie ne boss. Ofie Kwanso.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3.
Yeah.
Go ahead, I'm a mock on tiny go. Cause I pull up in the mountain solo. Cause I'm a kigada go. I got to come back on card is on. She be like a sim name walk. Past life and I walk out it one. And I'm a book I jab. Yeah, Pino on your highway. Here is the highway. Omaka highway. Shalom na highway. Oh, I'm the highway. To be on a highway. Man, a chop up whatever highway. Look on the wine. Look on the wine. Here. Agreement. On your brother, Jack, copy a shower, they pay them. For no wagon on company. A second street, no company. Listen on the tip on 100. Manity and the man, it are complete. Fino on the highway. Here is the highway. Omaka highway. Shalom na highway. Oh, I'm the highway. To be on the highway. Man, the trouble, whatever, highway. The banjo, why me? The banjo, Baka, Adom on the talk, I send a very late on now. I got you people on working on company. Toyota and a Porsche, no company. Listen to they keep on 100. My colonna may hustle. Check, I go a daily. I'm walking with Tani, because I put up in the mountain jazz on. I pass a kick out that guapo. I got to come back and look at this on. It's a bit like a similar walk. Past life and I look at it, one. I never knew a guy jab on. Fino on the highway. Here is the highway. Omaka highway. Shalom na highway. Oh, I'm the highway. To be on the highway. Man, the trouble, whatever, highway. Look on the wine me.
That's right, y'all. In no time, it's gonna be checkout time. Now, I'll stress near the new see I can say about 12. So, this one here says, Jerry, please say a happy birthday to my husband, David Tamaklo. I wish him all the best and pray that God will protect and guide him in his life. I will always love him. From Marigold, from Estinam, and Jason, they all wishing you, Mr. David Tamaklo, a happy birthday. With me, my dear, my good answer. Mimi baby, yeah, I miss you like something. And on the final stretch of the football season with its fierce rivalry and devastating heartbreak is finally here. Make sure you stay connected on Gold TV to enjoy the captivating moments on La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, and many more. Stand by your team until the very end. This is football worth watching, and you can't afford to miss it. With me, I connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis using my Gold TV app and witness the thrilling finale of a first of its kind football season this May. Gold TV, love it. But don't forget, say Goyle, higher grade fuels, no, and one necro. Yes, we are tried and tested, proven and accepted over the years. Now we know they are most suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most modern engines. In addition to these, superior qualities, no, Goyle higher grade fuels, no, they are fortified with the XP3 additive. Yeah, no, it's a multifunctional enhancer, Papa. Money more efficient, eco-friendly. So the price now you're talking about that phone book at no extra cost. Goyle higher grade fuel, see, you're on a Goyle Super XP Run 95 and I'll pay diesel XP. You're on every Goyle fuel station, BM, not just selected stations. So fill up with Goyle higher grade fuel. Ajiba Goyle. Good energy, Goyle. Yeah, DM. Sure. And special greetings going out to you, Kofi McDonald. Oh, I am Maslog at the same minute. Which when you may, I do believe Sebi be cool. wife didn't birthday. It's happy birthday. And come out Mrs. McDonald. Kofi McDonald of Maslock, the wife. Happy birthday to wifey. Member fee, right? I mean, sure, not on Tung Quandem. Yan far away into a po na yan sorry suboko. Me different watch.
Oh my God, look at that, the way she moving back. Yeah, I don't last year. One to go, without go. One no, without poco. One poco, without poco. Oh no, one poco.
You to check yourself from our Vodafone. Vodafone saying Kancho said there's an energy inside us all that makes art and music, that pushes science, that overcomes obstacles, that cures diseases, that overcomes prejudice. Now, our energy, it gives us the strength to ask important questions from humankind, the planet, and our society, so we can discover what's best. Now, our force way, say you're combining it with technology, not just man and technology together. You bet me achieve BBB, create better future for all. Technology is nothing without humanity. Together with technology, we can do anything. Open more after we want www.vodafone.com/together we can. Vodafone, together we can.
I know you come from UK, me I come from Nigeria. I know you like Ghana vibe, so I come through with another one.
I'm kind of one of a kind. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's checkout time already. Yeah, the Nyamia said another week is Swakogu. Weekend, we also a long weekend. What you show me about be a woman? But to a say Chromeboko. It's Monday, what to make Monday, what to make my baby. Now, my man's way. As you will. I was weekend, yes, sir. I was at West and men on Sakasabo air trust you. The moon has some money at night free no me Sabri Mabepim Sabri. Now most spending time with us throughout the week in Yami Shamo. Stations need doors so they are Mitaika. So for you to choose us, we so appreciate you. What I say, and I want to say, as they do come here, the team, Papa Bills, African, Jamestown, J coach, and that's ample for J to come your boy there to be a boy Fenton Fair. I face Sister Sandy be a guy, Mommy Boat. Oh man, but I'm going to say. Your friend Jerry Justice. Assembly about as always. Push your new and watch you and watch actually.